what is the number one indication that your manifestation is just around the corner? So you've been really wanting something in your life, and you sense that you've been pretty good about bringing it forth. You've been feeling good about it. When you've been inspired to take action, you've taken action. But the things that you want is still not there. So you're wondering, where is it? And right there, whatever you wanted, just like that, is gone. Why? Because there's one thing that matters the most when it comes to manifesting your dream life, dream partner, dream job, dream home, dream anything. Before I share this with you, I want to just remind you, and you already know this, you really know this, how manifestation actually works. When you let go of resistance, when you are in an inspired place, when you figure out a way in which you are, that you say, I don't really want that, that's not who I am, this is what I want. And it's coming truly from a deep, true, inner being self, not just the ego self. That happens, you set in motion a desire. This desire is like a force. It's like a magnet. And now you are projecting, you are transmitting this into the world out there. Right? You sense it when you decide you want something, even something simple and physical. There's something within you right away that just completely awakens, where you feel like, yes, I want this. It's a moment of focus. And the more that you maintain this focus, the better you get at manifesting the things that you want. But what happens is that the desire is clear, is strong, it's powerful, and then, bam, you shut it down. How? With doubt. I can't have it. I don't know if I can do it. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I don't know how to do this. Who am I supposed to want this? On and on and on and on and on. And so you might do this for a few seconds or a few minutes. And then at some point, you might find yourself on a weekend relaxing finally, or at some point where you get a moment of inspiration, you think, oh, the thing that I wanted, yes, it would be so nice to have it. Resistance goes down, you light up again. And in that moment, what you want is so much more close to you. And then again, this doubt, this uncertainty, this insecurity sets in, and then bam, what you want is further away from you. But if you keep practicing this sense of well-being and certainty, something happens in you. It's not just about the thing that you want. What happens is you have a spring in your stuff. You have a sense of play. You have a sense of joy. You have a sense of fun about you. And the more that you carry and you be in this all day after day, things begin to happen around you. There's a sense of flow. There's a sense of well-being. There's a sense of circumstances and people and synchronicities coming about. And you feel that something amazing is happening, because it is. And then what you want shows up. And you're like, wow, this is awesome, right? Now, this is an ideal scenario. And for some of you, it happens. The more you want something where you're not so stressed out about it, it is easier for you to come into your life. It is easier for you to attract it into your life. And so the number one thing that determines if what you want is near you is, would you like to take a guess? Your attitude, your state, your attitude. It's so simple. See, when you are in a state of well-being, your attitude is good no matter what is happening around you. What you want is around the corner. But this is so tough for so many to carry. Because for many, sometimes attitude is purely superficial. They'll say, I have a great attitude, but inside they're just freaking out. Inside, they're just wondering, where is this thing? But I've been told to have a good attitude, so here's my good attitude, right? I mean good attitude, great attitude, awesome, fun, playful attitude. It's not just a superficial attitude that you share to others, that you show at your job, to your boss, or to the customers. I mean truly an awesome attitude within. Okay, it's within. You feel it? It first begins within, like a tornado of joy, and then it comes without, and the vibration is so high that the vibration becomes a magnet. And truly, that is the attitude when you have that. You are so aligned and so tuned up that you are an incredible magnet. So that is number one sign that your manifestation is just around the corner.